welcome back to my YouTube channel. So guys, today I'm with my bestie Nana. So,
Hi guys.
So today we are gonna do like slime challenge, wherein I'll tell you the orders, and plus she's here for the night stay, and I'm so happy, yay! So let me tell you the order which slimes will we make. So first is we are gonna make the soft and stretchy slime. Then we are gonna make the glitter slime. And then we are gonna make our normal color slime, wherein we can pick our colors. Yeah. So then we have 4 glues, and then we have
2 activator bottles.
one is small and
One is large.
So let's start. I have my container and my spoon with me.
And I also have my container and spoon with me.
Let's start.
So first we're going to be making a soft and stretchy slime.
Chips. So I'll put that. So first you have to put in Fevicol.
Or Elmer's glue.
Yeah, we have Elmer's glue here as well. That's it. So now I'll be adding some lotion. One, two. So I've put in my lotion, as you can see, and then I'm gonna mix it together.
So I've put in my glue. And now I'm going to put the lotion. Okay, yeah. That's
Can you
enough.
can you put some in it? So guys, as you can see, it's like very thick.
Yeah.
Right now. So now we'll be adding our activators. So shall we first use the small one? Here you go.
Guys, make sure to check if the activator is strong or not, because if you add too much, it's
Yeah,
not
it's
going
gonna
to be
be
stretchy.
and it's gonna be overactivated. So yeah, you can also see it. So I'm like mixing it, and it's kind of getting it together. See, even yours is like, so I'll just add some more. I have to keep on adding it until it's like all like joined together. See. Don't put it right now on your hand.
Yeah.
I thought there was activator again. Yes, activator.
That's so
Oh! Oh my god, I just could not.
So as you can see, the slime is forming.
Yep. Oh my god, activator fell on me.
Should be careful.
Yeah.
Back to the door.
Yeah, I know that because I was like putting. It's again on me. See guys, it's coming together. See?
Yeah, I think you should put it in your hands now.
I don't want it right now. So yeah. I'll do it when it's like good and non-sticky type. Not actually, I'm gonna put it right now. Just gonna put activator on my hand. So guys, if you put like slime on your hand and you have to knead it together, please put an activator in your hand before you take it. Oh my
Yeah,
god.
it's easier.
Yeah, it's easier. See? My slime is forming. See? Nana.
You can. mine's not yet
See?
formed. But
So it's
it
not
does.
that like good right now because it's like forming. Yeah, it's too sticky.
Guys, even my slime is forming.
Need some lotion.
Guys, and if you have overactivated it, don't worry. You can put lotion and
Yeah, lotion.
maybe it will get soft and stretchy.
And I'll just give you like advice. If you have dry clay, just put in water, a little bit water in it, because if you put lotion, it's gonna be good if you put lotion as well. But yeah. Okay, I don't like glitter slimes. It makes it hard.
It's not true.
It is, as for me.
Okay. Well, that's what happened with me.
What? That
Okay.
glitter thing. Even it happened it to me. Like, whenever I used to make slimes with glitter. Yeah.
Okay.
She's like putting sanitizer on her hand.
No, I'm not putting sanitizer. It's activator.
And one more advice, I don't like that. Like, I'm gonna add some color, or I won't actually, because if I put, yeah, there's a reason if you don't put like colors, you know, your slime can like stick like germs
So,
or
guys,
something.
even my slime has got together, and it's
See?
pretty much non-sticky.
Yeah, same here. See?
Okay, and at the end we will do a contest who can make the biggest bubble.
Not the biggest bubble. Let's call. We're gonna call the judge, and the judge will decide.
And we can also do is who can stretch it more.
I think we should not do that. That's okay. Let's do it then.
Okay. At the end, when you have to choose
Okay,
the
guys,
best
it's
slime
Yep.
of your 3 slimes. So you can choose
I'm
it.
just gonna add the rest of it.
And if any like slime is left in your
And guys, if you want any advice, please like comment in the chat box. Chat box, scary. I'm saying chat box because like we do online classes, and then ma'am says write the answer in the chat box. I'm like write it in the chat box. Okay, come on. You have to write it in the comments, and we can help you with it because we are the slime makers. Okay, I was just whispering. I was saying, we are the slime makers.
Yeah,
What did you just say?
we are both. We are slime mixers and makers.
Mixers? What did you say?
I said we are slime makers and experts.
Okay, so we'll meet you when the slime is formed. Well.